Hi, this is just a quick video about the remote control Henry vacuum cleaner that I built. I have a slight history making things remote control, and I thought a Henry already has a good character, so why not make it remote control? I mean, I suppose you could say it doesn't suck anymore. There's a controller and the Henry. I even managed to retain the original on switch. That's the sound of the speed controllers turning on, and I put it on a little CD tray to stop it going all over the carpet, but you can hear the wheels working. Should we have a look under the hood? All it is two motors, some speed controllers, and a lead acid battery. I would have maybe thought about using lithium, but it turns out lead acid is heavier, and this robot needs to be counterbalanced. Or I should say Henry needs to be counterbalanced, otherwise he wheelies constantly. And that's all it is. It's just that. The receiver is in there, and that's the control. Here's some footage I took earlier today, showing Henry just driving around an empty car park. Considering it's just Henry, it does move quite fast. I built Henry in June 2018 and released some video of him then, but I've only just got around to doing a proper video on it. One other thing that I spent a lot of time designing and pondering was how to keep the original stock look of Henry. From the outside he looks exactly the same as a stock Henry. We've got the plug reel, although I have to say I have taken the cable. That doesn't pull out very far. And I've even managed to retain the switches. These are connected to some connectors here, so they can be used to turn the Henry on and off. And I haven't decided what to do with the green one yet, but future use. The only part that gives away Henry is not what he appears to be is the wheels. There's a good finger's gap in between where the wheels should be and where they used to be, and that's purely because if you have a look, the motors are right up against each other. There was no space to get them any closer. Thank you for watching, and leave me a comment if you've got any further thoughts.